Asemi akofa be hu.
But how situation asem power. How's in your place? How's in your place? Pa.
He say me hu kwa am fa some nimfa so. And on say unim de emu. How supporters no. Minim say Rich, don't you feel say has pa unim from on crab no. For us to be in this situation
supporters and come
pressure be our system from the supporters no. Rich has no obi ya break him no.
So me say team na to gbedia. Nti ono anyi ni team. On be show me fie no man support team no. But say first na because and I understand you first na. Anka sa situation dey. Heart of fans. Anka omun trase da.
Unum say nye ye na kwa na kwa fa asam ne ba. Obi ampo friend busa say oh na say nobody is asking on penny for anything. Even on social media you don't see Ferguson money has almost supporters I mean nimo mo they be almost throw social. You don't see them asking on management. They say I didn't know ya shahama sadi they don't care. Has a fuck pan a do sa stage way. I reach a woman say has the Kotoko nyina from there. But me so say kasa situation way say ke Kotoko ne wa. Can you feel some pressure in the system? Can you feel some pressure in the system? Master has the end there. And look, and you say bia make to me home. Rich, even in some trouble cry. I'm not so interested in the matter.
No, na se team ni interested that.
Rich, say nya hana what is say kasa asem we gidigidia. Where do you monitor and you hear said they are discussing a way? It is because Abia we also get a feeling as a team Nangasa crown for you can't go and cry more than they breathed. Rich, share. Has Chinimuta, they will pay the money. Entirely to Munjan in them. Because FIFA a ruling my headache. And your mom 90 days to pay. 90 days in the buy months. 90 days
that is 3 months, yeah.
Went here. And I say, I didn't know me message ya scam will be a wuntia. Anyway, so why you say wuntias cana? Answer na ubetiano. May say amount punishment say when you 90 days in so and one transfer ban for 3 transfer windows. Rich, so has what it means is that in the next 3 transfer window, first one start here Nano. And yes, has team top player and register player and go out. They can also sell. House can do any business on the TMS. They are locked. On with TMS, no, you are locking them. And it's a way you play now about house. Can you imagine having a player at house right now? Rich, no be the deal. I say, Oma Branti and Kusi Akai. Ewa Buchi and I say, because Obo has in tea.
You'll be the he's a former pick.
You won't even get transfer by him.
Let him be about open.
Senansia de Hussein ye. Se Afeina Obi Ede of a Biba. You can't tell. And these things affect trust within the team. Senkakanka Uchia heading Kadine Bia. Rich, Obiaba San no Mako. Now, only said there are some place within Hasa. Rich, Siabo season where we are, contract. And so by this time, only some place need be a negotiation. Now, Omo stubborn in extending the contractor. You'll be considering to sell them, and yes, you lose them for free. Now, if Has I consider to sell those players because they are being stubborn about renewing their contractor, can they sell them? Or say Sibemu in a year we bury season we bury ya contract wu. Ya for say the Kotoko February with Samba or near money idea. Or my man say Omubonko for no man extend contractor offer Bibo Momo Macon. So maybe at least they will get some money out of those players. House can't even go to that extent to take a decision on that. Now Rich, say House Tramwa. Not 3 transfer window no so bury yes Kim. Not still Omunchi Sikana. Do you know what can happen to us? Per the Yehuda, the legal terms of the precedent. No. Rich, the next line of action could be a demotion.
They are from Premier
to Division
let's say
2.
Division 2 and now Division 3.
Can you imagine? See to Krumwa. Reni Hedinka. Sebi. The impact will has a 0.
Where technical data? Dear Ben Pano, you
Unum do go find by. Unum do go find Odote. And until some of the house supporters know, or may you when you know. Sebi or in Portugal. The respected man say, Omono trust you. And if your trusted lieutenant at the Kaba, no be in any amount, you have to pay. Rich, yakan. How situation, you know, and you good. It is sad and it is embarrassing. Areho, SNU.
Nhyira, as a cafe has a board, you see. To be any $150,000 on between their belly house.
Okay. Rich, in proper corporate settings, what the work of a director's loan. Say, even if a board member and I say, obey TSS canimpa, it must go on record, say, how's the car? And you score the budget. None of the house board members are winning momo. And the baker said, $150,000, made them house for free.
Okay, one for mom, busy.
Now, what much you end
Let him be going with you.
Scandabane. Timmy, a business scandabane. Necessary, I can say, do you know that a car, a city on house books, our money to bring in the company's car? Rich, I get your man today, one now has 8 meter through the winning now, and you're free. All of them are directors' loan to the club. And that will be very nice. We say, Obese, Afedia, or catch it to say enough is enough. No, Rich, that to be the book, we say, okay, answer na me kono. Me shares in here, a car club is doing it. Pay me and let me go. No, Rich, nobody will be able to stand it. Her situation, you know, it is becoming worse every day. And there seems to be no end to the matter. Rich, and that's what we know. I guess it to be now. I guess on one. And my catch will say, Rich, a team that is run by the mood of one person is not a sustainable club. And so I'm not referring to only House of Folk. Rich, majority of Ghanaian teams are run by the mood of bankrollers. Those clubs are not sustainable clubs. Kotoko mo pay defensive midfielder.
Okay.
And a striker. In his out is a Kotoko for so mo pay 2 players. A DM. Our Baba Boadabo. And a striker. Obebo morphine donso. And a Kwame Puku. Na me were 2 names. Kotoko actual letters. Ako mu teams a mu pay mo for DM no. Na Kotoko are looking for a relatively young or physique DM no. That is a player profile or mope Osaka. Yes, this is a Berman because they feel say the DM role no, in the Ghana Premier League contest no a more of a physical game. And that is what is beating at that bottom. Who say intimate Rich only physique but no day or you're workaholic. But the thing is that they need someone with a little bit of height, young and workaholic, and very good with the person. So the transitions no will be smoother with such a person. Me teams in the many players no.
Bonina.
And they are.
And okay, Bobo. But players in clubs.
Okay, what I will do is say, Ochina me di ni beba.
Okay.
But na me mo teams no.
Okay.
Kotoko atro akoma Samates and Abrekum Chelsea.
Okay.
Omunya mu ba ko bi o mu pe. Brekum Chelsea DM no. Samates DM where they are free. Omo YouTube for Kotoko content no momfa. They can do their research on wine no more menyedino. Into Kotoko atwa Samates. Ene Brekum Chelsea. Say omo young, very good physique.
And I sense Kotoko at Chelsea players.
History from Benetton for him time. A Giomu in a sound of movie. Energy munina. We can see. I can see a yellow Leicester. Rich Ebewapa.
Okay. Now to the striker no. Well, foreigner na Lukaya.
Most likely a foreigner.
Okay.
Lukano. Omo Kotoko. I am quite about Omunina and Rich. A yakwa yenton. Yenton ya takumi munina. Omuse omonton. And in all honesty, striker quality no Lukano options in North. And they want to look elsewhere and bring in and Obiaba, one of the coaches has recommended one and Waba, and they are observing him. And so me no okay, no more signing that they will get either the summer test or the Brekum Chelsea young DM no. Na omotimi e de akane o china ye de din ne bebati
and also
photo has intimate
dem for we mfantwa to na intwa omra sisi na 2 p.m. I will be my South Africa Black Galaxies and South Africa and Ebona Galaxies coach Kasim Mengal kanuna ne kuta nation FC no odin komo na dia to na yemfa intwa ho kitu bi emra ACC a
Bafana are playing their last try match to assess their readiness for the AFCON tournament. And we are also here to give them what they needed. The reason why they invited us, they want to assess the strength and weakness of their team so that they will be battle ready for the AFCON. And we are also ready to give it to them, whatever they need from us. And to help also to assess also our team, because the young ones among us to get us the international exposure. Oh yes, football is about mentality. And let's say it's an opportunity. Whenever you give an opportunity to somebody, you have to prove it because we'll be going to work hard and we need some of our local boys to strengthen the team. So definitely, when you come and play against Bafana, they are among the best 3 teams in Africa. You are able to play with them. Definitely, you qualify to be part of the World Cup squad.
Okay, Kasim Mingo. In a nutshell, I'll say it's a good test.
Of course.
At the
Galaxies. And a normal circumstance, that's what Africa for the blasters. Because somebody prepare for AFCON. But when you say a blasters are available,
sure.
Any more Galaxy test, I think that an opportunity for a lot of your local players
to also
more exposure. I mean, I'm expecting South Africa to beat us.
Okay.
Because Rachel no more AFCON. And they are one of the best teams our African continent in the song. Nti omumfa any exercise no munko na we show more the best nti
okay
we just expose that game for